Hi, I'm Rob Brayton. Welcome to the TexasStarCave.com. So today I wanted to tell you about an event that's going on Friday, February 28th, 2020. It's the North Houston Astronomy Club meeting, and every February we get together and some of the people who know a little bit more about certain subjects will talk about their specialty. So this Friday, February 28th, starting at 6:30 at the Lone Star College in Kingwood, we will meet together, and Dr. Aaron Cleveson will give a brief start, kind of kickoff, and then we'll break out into each of the sessions. So if you're interested in astrophotography, that's what I'll be talking about. And I'll just give you a quick overview of what I'm going to do. So I have two systems here. One is this guy, and basically this is just a DSLR camera, and I bought this on a website called Cloudy Nights, and I paid $375 for it. Now the camera is normally $350, but it's modified, which means that the the filter that removes red from the image has been taken off, and that way I can now have an H-alpha filter on my lens, and I get beautiful hydrogen alpha nebulas that I can take photos of. I normally I have an intervalometer, and I'll show you how all that works Friday night. But this camera, paid $375. The lens, I bought it used for $100 at Houston Camera Exchange. I bought the Star Adventure new, so it's about $400 for this whole everything else here. And then I got the this is a carbon fiber tripod that I got at KEH.com, and it was $80, I think. So for just a little over $1,000, I have a really good rig in order to do astrophotography of large nebulae. So California nebulae, the Orion Nebula, all of those big ones. And, you know, if you're under really good dark skies, you can also shoot the Andromeda Galaxy and other galaxies and stuff. So this is a great place to start, especially if you already have a DSLR camera. Now, the other rig I'm going to show is this guy. So after you've spent time, you get, and everything on here, by the way, is good to have, whether you're going to go further on or not. So this is one I bought from another club member. The mount I got for, I think it's $275 for this whole mount and tripod. And the telescope was another $100 basically. And then with this, I can use either a small camera to put into the eyepiece and do what's called prime photography. So I can plug this right into the eyepiece here and do photographs with that, or I can get my bigger camera and use that, or I can reuse that DSLR that I have, and I can use the DSLR on this telescope as well. So if you have extra money, a little extra money, you want to get more involved, you can get one of these guys. So this is the Celestron Edge 8, Edge HD 8-inch version. And man, if you can get one of these, it's just really, really great for astrophotography. So with this one, I'm going to use a little bit bigger camera. This is the 183 that I use a lot in the Starcade, and I can certainly put it on this telescope as well and get really great images. I've also used a power mate with this telescope and have gotten planetary images with it. So there's a lot that can be done with this. And what I like really the most about this is the fact that you can remove the secondary mirror on it and put a hyperstar. And you know how much I like hyperstars if you've watched any of my videos on TexasStarCave.com. So the hyperstar, then I can use either a DSLR or either of these other cameras and just get some amazing images out there. And also on this mount, I will be showing this is a Raspberry Pi. For $35, or actually I think I paid $45 for this one, you can buy another program from StellarMate, and through the SD card put StellarMate on one of these guys, and so for less than $100 you have a computer that will completely control your mount as a go-to mount. And then all you need is a little tablet, and you can control everything you need on that tablet to do astrophotography that way. So that's what I'll be showing on Friday. Hope you can come down and see us. It's the North Houston Astronomy Club at the Lone Star Kingwood, obviously in Kingwood, Texas, and we'll start around 6:30. You need to get there around 6:30. Be a good time to start. So see you there.